Every organization out there is these days talking about implementing platform engineering in their organization. But what I have seen so far, everyone is just taking it just another type of DevOps. That is not really going to work. Creating internal technology platform in the enterprise is a real requirement, and for good reason. They allow IT professionals and the teams of different businesses departments to be more independently productive while maintaining centralized governance and security at the same time. And this is not just about the cloud or DevOps. It also presents the perfect opportunity to develop additional internal platforms on top of it. For example, we all know that artificial intelligence era, especially the Gen AI era, is has already started, and very soon every organization is going to implement large language models on their own proprietary data sets. When that happens, we really need to think outside of the boxes, and also the previous DevOps principles are not going to work as is. So we really need platform engineering to take care of all of these new looming opportunities. The strategic importance of investing in a platform might seem very obvious, but the thing is that at the end of the day, business side of things don't really care about platform engineering, artificial intelligence, Gen AI. All they want is the outcome. So how you can do this platform engineering in the best possible way to deliver value. In this video, I'm going to discuss three values or three best practices which you should be following in order to be successful in the platform engineering area in your own organization. The thing is that with all the previous frameworks, still user is the boss when it comes to platform engineering. The actual user of your internal platform is will be the key stakeholders, and their needs are represented by their whole slew of requirements. Because for example, the thing which should be happening in terms of platform engineering is that the engineers building your internal platform should be meeting regularly with actual users face to face or with teams supported by a product manager who is part of their team. Everyone should get involved and then specify their consumption needs of the platform. For example, if you cannot really um, do this, then I think you need to revisit your platform engineering requirements. User watch all of these stakeholders with equivalent of a focus group, gathering your engineers together to watch the user doing their stuff using your platform is a key way of doing the things right from the day one. And this also gives you the benefit of aligning priorities within your engineering team because everyone just wants to work towards a singular goal. Second thing is to have the right people doing the right thing because everyone can offer their opinions and advice, but the thing is, the real work is execution. The people who will be doing the actual work. If you don't approach this in a proper way, the team to build your platform will be the one that really will struggle along the way and at the end. This can be a tough pill to swallow, but lest we forget, this isn't really about you. Your platform engineers, your head of platform, and all the other key stakeholders are the key partner in this platform. So you must create a platform team that best addresses your users' needs first, and then the later things will follow. Now, the ideal platform team is dedicated, small, and cross functional. Better to have 3 or 5 engineers work full time on your platform instead of doing it piecemeal. Third thing is measuring how you are going about. Because if your platform is not on scope and it is not on time and it is over budget, then that is not really a success story. So you need to measure your platform team success in these kind of project KPIs. Now you should be measuring things like how long does it take the user to achieve their goal by using your platform, how many users use a platform and how it scales, and then how satisfied those users are. That is where your service will come very handy. So I hope that this sets the stage for you to start your platform engineering product in the right fashion. Thanks for listening.